For number 7, Jada walks up to a tank of water that can hold 24 gallons total. It can hold that much. When it is active, a drain empties. What does empty mean? Does that mean you add water or get rid of water? You're going to lose water. Okay? It says from the tank at a constant rate, so it's always going to be emptying at the same rate. When Jada first sees the tank, it contains 18 gallons of water. 2 minutes later, it contains 14 gallons of water. So we lost water. Well, how much water did we lose over that 2 minutes? Well, I'm going to think, well, what's 18 minus 14? And you might be able to do that in your head, okay? But 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we lost 4 gallons in 2 minutes. So we need to use a sign number and include our units. So I could have said negative 4 gallons per 2 minutes. Or if you were able to think about, well, what was the rate for 1 minute? You would think negative 2 gallons per minute. I took either of these as answers, okay? And then B says, how many more minutes will it take for the tank to drain completely? So we want it at 0. So right now it's at 14. We want nothing left in the tank. So this is why this number works way better, right? We always talk about when you find a unit rate, find it for 1 because you can find it for any. So I've got 14, and I want to divide it by that 2. Because it's 2 every minute, and I want to figure out how many minutes. Well, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So it'd be 7 minutes. All right, well, how many minutes before Jada arrived? So we got to go back. She arrived when it was at 18. She didn't arrive when it was 14. She lost 4 gallons after 2 minutes. So I want to use that 18. But it says, how many minutes before Jada arrived was the tank completely filled? Well, going back to our problem, how much could the tank hold total? 24. So I'm going to think, okay, well, the total is 24. I know I only have 18 left. So I have 6 gallons that I need to replace. Or go back in time and figure out how many minutes before did I have those. Well, if every minute is 2 gallons, I just do 6 divided by 2. So it should take 3 minutes back in time. Okay, make sure you show your work. You might have gotten some points off if you didn't show work. If you have more questions, ask Miss Group.